Hello everyone, welcome back and you are watching Technical World. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to see how many friend requests you ignore on Snapchat. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Now what we have to do, first launch Snapchat. Then tap on profile icon in top left corner. Here we have to scroll and under friends we have to tap on add friends. There is a complete list and in top left corner you will see three dots. Tap on it. In a pop-up menu you will have a three option and the middle one is ignore from add me. Edit me. Tap on it and you will see the ignore from added me contacts will appear here. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.